Most organisations still manage maintenance activities with traditional paper-based processes. Introducing Novade Maintenance, a digital solution that allows you to track assets on multiple sites, schedule preventive maintenance and manage requests and repair jobs. Inspection forms are easily digitised and accessible on all devices. Novade Maintenance is a collaborative system. External users and call centres can submit requests, technicians and contractors can manage jobs, and management has access to reports and dashboards. Let's see how it works for preventive maintenance. It all starts with managers planning inspections online. Technicians are then notified of their work schedule on their device. Once an inspection starts, the technician completes a predefined checklist. When completed, inspection checklists are sent to managers for approval and archival. Metrics of activities are available on both web and mobile devices. Next, let's look at requests and repair work. It starts with external requests, which can be captured from an app, an email, a phone call or a website. If a request is generated through the Novade mobile application, all relevant data is transferred in real time to a call centre. Data is then validated and technicians in the field are notified on their mobile devices. Once the repair is finished, the technician completes the digital form. Finally, the initial requester is notified on their device that the job has been completed. Dashboards help track the status of activities in real time. Data analytics provide insights on how to improve asset lifespans over time. The system can be used on projects such as buildings, utilities, industrial plants and infrastructure. Companies using Novade Maintenance experience an up to 20% increase in productivity, plus improved asset life cycles and a boost in customer satisfaction. Is it time to change the way you work? Get it done with Novade.